Hello, this training video will give you an overview of the back office and the different menu options available to you. This is going to be a high-level overview, and in other training videos, we will go into more detail on each specific section. To begin with, the back office dashboard is where you first come to after you log into the system. When you first arrive to this page, you're going to see a lot of information displayed to you, and some of this information is going to change depending on the level of access that you have. For example, when you first log in, if you have accounting access and operations access, you'll see LTL dashboards, accounting dashboards, and so on. Let's take a look at each one of these sections. Here we have the AR dashboard. Next we have the AP dashboard. Below that we have the LTL operations dashboard, the truckload dashboard, and the domestic freight dashboard. To the right we have the My Favorites menu. And once again, I'll be going through each one of these sections in more detail in a separate training video. Above the dashboards are all the different menu options. We've constructed each menu option to be its own workflow. For example, under Shipments, if you select Shipments, you have Create Shipments, the LTL Search, Truckload Search, and the International Create and Search sections. Under Accounting, we have the Accounts Receivable workflow, followed by the Accounts Payable workflow. That'll lead you right into commissions and the accounting sync. Next we have customers. This is where you're going to come to view existing customers and to create new customers. Next to customers we have LSP. LSP stands for Logistics Service Provider. Think of this section as your company's own settings section. This is where you can come to create additional staff members at your company, as well as modify your documents and add carriers. Next to LSP we have reports. This will display to you all the reports that are available to you in the system. Next to reports we have rates. Rates is where you can add and create margins, manage your tariffs, and so on. And finally, next to rates we have sales. Now the sales menu is really designed for commissioned sales reps. They can use this menu to obtain commission information as well as look at collections information for their customers. All the way to the right we have the universal search. The universal search will allow you to search for anything in the system. You can type in customer names here, shipment ID numbers, anything you can imagine, and the system will search for it. Finally, to the very right, we have the Logged In As menu. This will give you access to support requests, user manuals, and the ability to modify your signature. Okay. And that's just a brief overview of what you experience when you first log into the system. Please explore our other videos to learn more about each section in more detail. Thank you.